Chennamma, the wife of former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda, passed away on July 18th after suffering a cardiac arrest at a private hospital in Bengaluru. She was 89 years old. She had been admitted to the hospital a few days earlier due to breathing problems, chest congestion, and other age-related ailments. Doctors said her condition had initially improved before she suffered a sudden cardiac arrest. Chennamma is survived by her husband H.D. Deve Gowda, 4 sons, 2 daughters, grandchildren, and other family members. Her sons include Union Minister for Heavy Industries and Steel and former Karnataka Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy and former Minister H.D. Revanna. The family announced that the public could pay their last respects at their Padmanabhanagar residence in Bengaluru before her mortal remains are taken to Hassan district. Her final rites are expected to be held on July 20th with full state honors. She was born in Muttige Hirehalli village in Hassan district. Chennamma married H.D. Deve Gowda in the year 1954. More than 70 years of marriage, she remained a constant source of support for her husband as he rose from local politics to become the Prime Minister of India. Although she stayed away from public life, she was known for her simplicity, humility, deep religious faith, and dedication to her family. In the year 2001, she survived a serious acid attack while visiting a temple with her daughter-in-law. She suffered severe burn injuries, underwent months of treatment, and recovered with courage and determination. Union Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy described his mother as the foundation and quiet strength of the family. He said her love, faith, values, sacrifices, and teachings shaped the lives of her children. He thanked the doctors who treated her during her illness and prayed for the eternal peace of her soul. Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, accompanied by his wife Usha Shivakumar, paid his last respects and described Chennamma as a motherly figure who stood firmly beside H.D. Deve Gowda throughout his political journey. He said her death was a great loss not only to the Deve Gowda family but also to Karnataka's political fraternity. He announced that the Karnataka government would accord full state honors during her final rites. Former Chief Minister and Congress Working Committee member Siddaramaiah, former Minister Zamir Ahmad Khan, Large and Medium Industries Minister M.B. Patil, Urban Development Minister Yatindra Siddaramaiah, and KPCC President B.K. Hariprasad also visited the Padmanabhanagar residence to pay their last respects and offered condolences to H.D. Deve Gowda, H.D. Kumaraswamy, and the bereaved family. Leaders from across political parties, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, expressed their condolences following Chennamma's passing. She will be remembered for her simplicity, humility, compassion, resilience, devotion for her family, and unwavering support for H.D. Deve Gowda throughout his remarkable political journey, leaving behind a lasting legacy admired across Karnataka. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.